Oatmeal is recommended by health experts as a healthy breakfast. Here's what the science says about consuming oatmeal on a regular basis. Number 1. You may feel fuller for longer. Oats are a great source of fiber, a carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Because fiber slows down digestion, you won't feel as hungry for a longer period. Number 2. You'll have an easier time in the bathroom. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like consistency in the gut and helps to keep things moving in your digestive tract and keep you regular. Number 3. Your risk of heart disease will decrease. Because of the fiber content, oatmeal can help lower your bad LDL cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels and even lower high blood pressure, all of which play a significant role in minimizing risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Number 4. Your gut bacteria will thrive. Oatmeal is also a prebiotic food, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Maintaining healthy gut bacteria, also known as your gut microbiome, will benefit your body's immune system, improve your mood and digestion, and help to ward off diseases. Number 5. You'll manage your weight easier. Oat beta-glucan has positive effects on hyperglycemia, lowering blood lipid levels and reducing weight. The fiber content of oatmeal is filling and satiating, which in turn can help with eating fewer calories throughout the day and managing your weight. So the bottom line is that oatmeal's high fiber content and prebiotic qualities may benefit your body in more ways than one. Making oatmeal a regular part of your menu can potentially lower your disease risk, help your gut health thrive, make bowel movements easier and keep you feeling fuller for longer. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.